Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford Escape in an S trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, as well as all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have your relatively spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Underneath this cargo floor, you do have your spare tire, as well as some compartments for extra storage, and you have a 12-volt power outlet right there. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be slid back and forth to accommodate legroom, and then you have a 12-volt power outlet down there in the middle. This vehicle does come with a dealer-installed remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 27,640 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, so you can cycle through your trip information, My View with all of your pertinent information, driver assistance features, radio station, phone controls, and settings for your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, and then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, I believe, radio and Bluetooth capable, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have all of your media controls, your hazards, and then your climate controls here. Simple but easy to use. Down below that, you have a cubby here with a 12-volt and a USB, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. And then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, your drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and deep snow sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And you have your auto start stop shut off, and then your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious for all of your stuff, as well as having a USB-C power outlet in there, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.